Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make beef Panang curry. Right, the ingredient not much. We use curry paste ready, curry paste, Nittaya curry paste. Yeah, we use beef 400 grams, sliced beef, coconut milk, palm sugar, fish sauce. Yeah, that's it. Right, okay, we start to cooking. First, I want to fry beef, make it half cooked first. Okay. I put a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, we put beef as stir fry. Okay, now we have half cooked beef that we take out from the pan. And then we fry coconut milk. Fry coconut milk. You can fry it until you get a nice smell. Yeah, you put the the heat not too high, just medium heat, not too low, not too high. Yeah, the sauce is quite thick for Panang. That's why you have to fry the coconut milk and this curry paste a little bit long. Okay, you fry the coconut milk with the medium heat about 5 minutes, and then you can get a nice smell. And after this, you put the curry paste. You fry curry paste. Put about 2 tablespoons. You keep on frying until very nice smell and the color change to a little bit darker. You can add a little bit of coconut milk. Hòm á. You don't smell nhé. When you get nice smell, you put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce first. Tablespoon of palm sugar, and then you taste how you like it, and then you can taste. You need a little bit of fish sauce and a little bit of palm sugar. Another half tablespoon. And then you add beef, the one you have cooked before. We can have the the gravy. Yeah, you can put together just to make the taste nicer. This Panang, the gravy have to be thick. Maybe a little bit sweet. You add the fish sauce a bit. Okay, now ready to eat. Okay. Enough, man.
When you sort of top.
And then you top with Kaffir lamb lip slice.
Alright, we're just going to try this Panang. Creamy, spicy, warming, comfort food. Really, really good. Really quick, easy, tasty. Get a nice cut of meat. We've used sirloin here, so you know, just nice and juicy and soft. So give that a go, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again next week. Take care now. Bye.